ukushiya kwakhe kwabonakalisa igap apha kuthi endlini yaba khona indawo yakhe because ebelulutho kuthi. Eyona nto ke mna yandihlupha kakhulu kukuba athi HIV positive simazi ebetyebile etheni ezinyanga esitya i-treatment azobulawa ngumuntu ofana naye because even yena laa muntu wambulalayo akho mntu omaziyo uba akekho positive but ukwazile uba abungqundele ubomi bakhe.
On the 13th of December 2003, Lorna was killed. She was in a shebeen with one of the friends and she was raped in the toilet. When she went to the toilet, she was raped and she was killed inside the toilet. She was an educator, she was an advisor, she was a mother. So we are here as people living with HIV saying no to bail for those men who killed Lorna, saying no to bail for those men who, with no humanity, killed Lorna. When Lorna disclosed that she was HIV, I think she was trying to defend or to stop the men from raping her. She told them that she's HIV positive and they became very angry. They killed her.
I-attitude yabantu out there andinayazi uba yintoni eyenza ubana ebenza uba baphushele uba mawabulala abantu because ke kufa abantu apha ekhayelitsha every day bebulawa bereyishwa into ezinjalo.
Today is the first day of action to ensure that Lorna is remembered. I want to talk about Lorna's community. In Lorna's community, which is the Khayelitsha community, the Khayelitsha community is known across the world for having, as Nomfundo said, some of the best services for people living with HIV. This is a community that understands HIV. So this community has done so much for HIV, but we cannot allow the violence against our women and children to continue.
Go. That's why i-divide apha ekuhlaleni i-divide kabini ngoba bakhona bathi baba right ngombulalo Lorna because whatever spreader i-AIDS up. Yeah. Abanye bathi babengekho right. Yayibubundlobongela obabenzayo. So ke sithi siphila lo mpilo la.
Ibhlungu kakhulu into ehlele uLorna. Ikakhulu xa iza kwehlela abantu eKhayelitsha. How much more kwi-communities engekho resources kuzo. Xa abantu bethi benikwi-treatment bephila yi-HIV ze babulawe ngabahlali. Bahlali nithi masithini abantu abane-HIV mabaphile phi? Mabaphile kweyiphi community? Xa apha kulendlu benobukela abantu umuntu ebulawa, mnakho nto nzayithetha kakhulu. Ndizawubhekisa kubantu balendlu. Nithulele ntoni bantu bale tavern kubulawa umuntu ongumama, umntana we-community yenu. I-educator efundisa nina nge-HIV ephilisa abantwana benu e-side B nimyeka abulawe. Senibiza isikolo nithi mazohlamba igazi nithini ngalo mntu ebulawa kwindawo yenu. Nithulele ntoni?
We have so far arrested 2 people which were positively linked to the case. There is 3 more that we know of, which we know that we can possibly link 1 more else to it. But the fact that there was about 5 or 6 of them around the scene, we are looking for them specifically.
Kanjani Lorna bayamzonda uLorna sebembulele kanjani Lorna bayamzonda uLorna.
Everyone in Khayelitsha today, we mourn Lorna, but we're also continuing a tradition of fighting. We want rape centers in Khayelitsha. We want rape centers across the Western Cape. But most importantly, We can't leave it there. So it's our job to put pressure on the government to make sure, first and foremost, that we get everyone who is raped, that woman gets treated with respect. That woman gets post-exposure prophylaxis for rape survivors.
There are more or less 6,000 rape reported in the Western Cape. Ferry can confirm or not, per year. Reported. Plus all the ones that are not reported, right? 6,000 per year. The majority of them, one thing about half of them, are in Kailicha. So we are saying, we as a community of Kailicha, this cannot go on. That's why everybody is here around. This will not go on. This will stop.
We're very aware that there are an incredible amount of rapes that are reported, and then we have a very low conviction rate at the end of the day if you compare reports to conviction rate. The fact of the matter is that we have an incredible number of cases that fall through the cracks along the way. So in other words, lots of cases are withdrawn before they even get to court. A number of complainants lay cases and then withdraw them for lots of reasons. There are also a lot of reasons why we don't prosecute. We don't have enough evidence. Unfortunately, there are many cases where we have children who are unable to testify because they're too young, and we have no corroborating evidence. We have no evidence to link the perpetrator to the offence. And we simply can't go ahead, even though everyone's pretty sure that that was the perpetrator. You know, we've got to prove it in court.
Kuba i-community njengositsho ziyabagcina i-perpetrators zifihle abaza bazoxela emapoliseni noba sesaziwa umuntu owenza ububi bangaveli bazoxela. So siyanida ukufundisana ubana masizame umthetho ukutrusta kwi-issues ezinjalo, but na umthetho ngokunokwawo uqinisekise ukubana xa ngaba sithi abantu bangathathela umthetho ezandleni singumthetho yintoni esinoyenza enokwenza uba abantu abanjalo bakwazi uprosecutwa ngendlela efanelekileyo.
It's very important that communities do come forward with as much information as they do have, and it is because people did come forward in this case with the people that were responsible that we were successful in the prosecution and a conviction and a very good sentence. But again, that's what I was saying earlier on, that you can't actually have one aspects of the whole system working on its own. You've got to have an connection between communities and the criminal justice system.
Okokuqala emveni kokuba ingxelo ifikile amapolisa ayilandela yanikwa ke abecuphi umcuphi ngelo xesha awayephanda u-Inspector Nash. Iyure zabantathu bambamba umenzi wobubi kwakhona abanye ababanjwayo yayinxalenye yophando.
For the boy, I think it's life and 10 years in prison for both accounts. And the girl, it's 10 years, but 3 years suspended. So far, so good. I'm happy. At least justice on our side.
Ityala lika Lorna libonakalise ukuba xa abahlali bamanyene ekulweni ubudlwengu nobundlobongela abenzi bobubi bangagwetywa. Abadlwenguli nababulali baka Lorna bafumana ezi zigwebo. Uncedile Ntumbukana ubomi entolongweni, uvuyelwa Dlova iminyaka 10 entolongweni, uAyanda Zono wabalingqina lenkundla.